Tonight in New York, some county clerks are deciding whether to adhere to a law Governor Cuomo just signed on Monday. It would allow undocumented immigrants to get driver's licenses.
Some law enforcement personnel have expressed concerns too. Local 44's Devin Bates has been following this story for us today and joins us now in the newsroom with more. Devin?
Well, Lauren and Glenn, Clinton County Clerk John Zerlo told me there's at least a dozen county clerks across the state who plan to turn away undocumented immigrants attempting to get a driver's license. 12 states currently allow undocumented immigrants to drive, including Vermont, but the pushback in New York could make the future of this recently signed bill unclear. Undocumented immigrants will soon be able to get a driver's license in the Empire State, with Governor Andrew Cuomo's signing of the Green Light Law. The bill was passed by the New York Senate in a 33-29 vote, but Clinton County Clerk John Zerlo said he has concerns about his staff at the DMV being able to handle the changes.
They're going to have to learn how to accept documentation from other countries, which we're not familiar with. Our staff is not equipped to do that at this point. So whether there's going to be a learning curve, or a learning procedure that the DMV is going to set up for us from Albany, that remains to be seen.
Zerlo said over a dozen other county clerks have stood firm against the Green Light Law, with Erie County Clerk Michael Kearns proclaiming on Twitter that there will be, quote, no driver's licenses for illegal aliens in Erie County. Zerlo said he supports those challenges, but his office won't join in.
They're going to their county attorneys and asking for their support, and they're going to bring action, and they're serious about it. We're going to follow through and do what we can. If people bring in the proper credentials in, they will get driver's licenses.
In a statement, Democratic State Senator Luis Sepulveda, who sponsored the bill, said its passage guarantees, quote, safer roads, stronger economies, increased revenue, and will keep families together. Clinton County Sheriff David Favreau said he has public safety concerns.
We're giving basically an identification to an unknown individual without asking for anything to verify who they may be. Immediately, a lot of people will think that you're referring to aliens. It doesn't necessarily have to be, because the bill specifically says an individual. So it could be somebody from another part of the United States that are a legal citizen that may be involved seriously in crime and may want to be seeking to build a new ID, a new life somewhere else, and we're in one sense giving that to them.
Now, the Green Light Law won't go into effect for another 6 months, and according to the Washington Post, Senator Sepulveda's chief of staff said that roughly $33 million has been earmarked by lawmakers to support clerks' offices during the implementation period. Live in the newsroom, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.